Kubor nakaslem jong Nongshong Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer ke Jylla BDR Tiwari IAS habaya keran berkilat pathai kubor mentakasngi ke arpu santrik ukala lingkot arajar arpu sau hadin ke jingelang jong ke jinglek kemennya ke National Voters Day ulaong maka daw ke bapenlong ye ke jinglek kemen kalong ban kenmau borom ye ke jing sedang ningkong ye ke Election Commission jong ke ri India ha ke baka phang pedeng menta usnem kalong nothing like voting, I vote for sure. Bat ka jinglek kemennya gini kesngi kalong kum shibenta baka rihi barok kawai kalapan krek hagabai day bat ke election MP kaban salong shen. Nakaliang utiwari ule Iaroh iki breo jong ke Jylla kamtam ki kena samla ki balaya mi shongshit hagabanya shimbenta haga run for democracy wat hapadeng ka jing kriat jong ka benengru. Henry kipin iya ke jing terang banyak shimbenta pada kajuk korukom kalong ban pen klannya ke jing sungut ho hakabedei bat ke jing don kam ban tap vote ka ban pen i kan nuksa ye ki wei pat ki Jylla lingba ke jing shimbenta hakabedei bat ki Nongthep vote nakaliang utiwari ulaong ba menta ki dan hadu arfu ar lak khat nyo hajar shispa angut ki Nongthep vote na pok ke Jylla bat ki dan hadu san pu wei na ka shispa ki Nongthep vote ki badai ki kentei bat lada yat kat kum ke jingken mentau snem kaladan ke jingkeu ha kabedei bat ki Nongthep vote ha kaba kiladan hadu lai po hajar khandai spa sapu khandai ngut ki Nongthep vote kat kum ke special summary revision ke jingdon jong ki khna ki ban thep vote kalong lai point sapu lai na ke chispa.
Today we are celebrating 14th National Voter Day to mark the foundation day of Election Commission of India. So this year's National Voter Day theme is nothing like voting, I vote for sure. So it is continuation for last year's theme itself. So country is ready for the forthcoming Lok Sabha election, and today it has been organized in Meghalaya across the state in very befitting way, and they run for democracy, which is very unique in Meghalaya, and participated by large section of the youth especially. And in this cold weather, the enthusiasm has shown how the elections are going to be in Meghalaya, especially in the forthcoming Lok Sabha, and we are ready to lead our election with the citizen of this the resident of our state and citizen of our country to make Lok Sabha election a very remarkable and make our democracy stronger with very higher participation and enthusiasm. Meghalaya is fully prepared for it. Now we have total 22,17,100 voters altogether, and there are more than 51% voters, female voters. So, and our gender ratio is 1,025 women voters in compared to 1,000 male voters. And this year we have total 30,949 voters has increased in our voter list during our special summary revision. Our young voters percentage is 3.43% of the total voters. Yes, we are taking basically, we are in close touch, and we know the power of the grassroots institutions like village darbar in our state. So apart from other initiatives, the voter literacy clubs in the colleges, and we are deeply engaging the community-based organizations, especially the darbars, and we are using the Songot system, the local announcement system before voting, and I hope, and we are taking the place, voter place and voting place at the different locality level to enhance our voting percentage, as well as to come over this urban apathy in our state. We are trying our best, and we are having at least 3 third gender voters also in our electoral roll, and moreover we are doing our best to and appeal them through you also, and they should not hesitate. Let them come forward and to register themselves in their own category. Now the Constitution and the Election Commission provide them all the right to register as third gender in the voter list. So I earnestly appeal, and we are doing all the best effort to make them voters and other the deprived sections also in the society.